Hi guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back in another unboxing, and yeah, I picked up Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart today on Facebook Marketplace actually for 30 of your British pounds, which is incredibly cheap for this because it's going between 40 and 50 pre-owned at the moment. So yeah, I thought I'd just get it pre-owned considering as it was cheaper than buying it new at 60 quid. So yep, so there's the front, there's the back, there's the side and there's the back. Lash away for an interdimensional adventure. So I've heard good things about this. I've never actually played a Ratchet and Clank game before, but yeah, really looking forward to playing it. So we've got haptic feedback and all that on the triggers for the DualSense, and the install size is 50 gig minimum. And then inside we have some health and safety stuff, something about some PlayStation gear, and a disc itself, and some artwork. That's the one thing I quite like about these PlayStation games. They usually come with some decent artwork, so yeah. But yeah, really looking forward to playing this. Like I say, I haven't played a Ratchet and Clank game before, so quite looking forward to it. But yeah, that's my quick unboxing for Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart on the PS5, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you later. Bye bye.